Creating a stable password is essential in safeguarding your online accounts toward cyber threats. A robust password acts as a first line of protection, making it substantially tougher for hackers to advantage unauthorized get admission to. But what constitutes a secure password, and how are you going to generate one that is each robust and smooth to take into account? A steady password is one that is complicated, particular, and difficult for others to wager. It's crucial to avoid not unusual pitfalls like using easily guessable phrases, common phrases, or sequential numbers. Here are a few pointers to generate a strong password. Length matters. Aim for a longer password. Generally, the longer the password, the harder it is to crack. Experts suggest at the very least 12 characters, however longer is higher. Mix characters. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and unique characters inside your password. The more variety in characters, the greater tough it will become for automated equipment to crack it. Avoid personal information. Stay far away from the usage of without problems on hand private data together with your call, birth date, puppy's name, or any records that can be effortlessly found for your social media profiles. Passphrase approach. Consider the usage of a passphrase, a series of random phrases or a sentence that is straightforward that allows you to consider but difficult for others to wager. For instance, Purple Elephant Dollar Jumping High is a robust password because of its length and aggregate of characters. Avoid common passwords. Steer clear of the use of common passwords like 123456 password or without difficulty guessable sequences. Hackers often try these first when attempting to breach debts. Unique passwords for each account. Use exclusive passwords for distinctive debts. Reusing passwords across more than one bills increases the risk of a domino effect. If one account is compromised, others grow to be prone too. Consider password managers. If remembering more than one complicated password seems overwhelming, take into account using a password supervisor. These equipment generate and keep precise, robust passwords for every of your money owed, requiring you to recall only one master password. Regularly update passwords. Change your passwords periodically, particularly for touchy money owed like online banking or email. Set reminders to update passwords each few months to beautify protection. Remembering more than one complex passwords might seem difficult, however it is a vital step in fortifying your online protection. Techniques together with creating a passphrase, the use of a combination of characters, and using a password supervisor can simplify this method. It's essential to prioritize the energy of your passwords over convenience. While it would take a chunk longer to create, and do not forget complicated passwords, the broad protection they offer is worthwhile in protecting your personal information.